Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my class. We are studying grammar, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is positive and negative sentence. Okay, students, we have earlier started this chapter. हमने ये chapter पहले start कर लिया है. But today let us recap. What is? Let us recap. Okay, recap means what we have learned. Recap यानी कि हम दोबारा देखेंगे कि हमने क्या पढ़ा था, what we have studied. Students, now look here. What is positive sentence? The first thing was that what is positive sentence? We have discussed in our last class what is positive sentence. Students, look carefully. A sentence that does not contain positive sentence. Look here. A sentence that does not contain, look carefully, that does not contain any negation word, words like no, not, never, nobody, etc. Nobody, etc. is called positive sentence. Is called positive sentence. आपको कुछ डिफरेंस दिख रहा होगा डेफिनेशन में, बट डोंट नीड टू वरी स्टूडेंट्स. ये डेफिनेशन है. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. A sentence that does not contain any negation. What is negation word? Negation word का मतलब होता है no, not, never, nobody. Means a sentence which does not contain no. एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें no, not, never यूज नहीं होता है, उसे हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. Once again, look carefully. A sentence that does not contain any negation words like bracket में है बेटा. Look carefully. This is in bracket. This is in bracket. इसको हम नहीं भी लिखेंगे एग्जाम में तब भी सही है. A sentence that does not contain any negation word is called what? Positive sentence. Then what is negation? Negation का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you understand by the word negation? Negation means like no, not, never, nobody. इस तरीके का अगर सेंटेंस में अगर ये लगा होगा तो वो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस नहीं हो सकता है. तो मैंने क्या लिखा है? What I have written here, students, I have written that a sentence that does not contain any negation word. एक ऐसा वाक्य जिसमें negation word नहीं रहता है, that is called what? Positive sentence. Clear? If it is clear, show me your thumb. Clear? Yes. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now let us move forward. What is negative sentence? Now let us see what is negative sentence. Students, ध्यान से देखिएगा. It's only a recap. ये recap है. So look carefully. Now let us see what is negative sentence. Look carefully. Now let us see negative sentence. What is negative sentence? Or what do you understand by negative sentence? Students, look at the board carefully. Yes. What is negative sentence? Now let us see the definition of negative sentence. A sentence having no or not in it is called negative sentence. Is called negative sentence. Now look at the board, students. The definition. Positive sentence का definition क्या? That does not contain any negation word. एक ऐसा वाक्य जिसमें कोई negation word नहीं रहता, उसे हम positive sentence कहते हैं. Now look at the definition of negative sentence. A sentence having no or not in it, यानी वाक्य में no or not है, then that is a negative sentence. Students, now try to recognize. Now look, let us see the example here. Students, look here. I am playing. There is no negation word in this sentence. Look here again. Negation word क्या होते हैं? What are the negation words? Negation word are no, not, never, nobody, none. ऑल दिस आर निगेशन वर्ड. अगर ये लगा होगा, ये निगेशन वर्ड्स है. बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है? ये सारे निगेशन वर्ड है. क्लास माय क्लास स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माय क्लास, नाउ लुक हियर, दिस आर द निगेशन वर्ड, दिस आर द निगेशन वर्ड. नाउ लुक हियर, अ सेंटेंस दैट डज नॉट कंटेन निगेशन वर्ड आर कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें निगेशन वर्ड नहीं रहता, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? वर्ड क्या कहते हैं बेटा? उसको हम पीएस यानी पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. क्लियर? This is positive sentence. Okay. Now a sentence a sentence having no or not in it. एक ऐसा वाक्य जिसमें no or not रहता हो. That is called what? Negative. Let me write here. Negative sentence. Look here, students. And what is this? It's a positive sentence. It's a positive sentence. Now look carefully, beta. I am playing. Isn't there is no not and no or not. इसमें no or not नहीं है. There is no not or no or any negation word. इसमें कोई negation word नहीं है. So it's what? It's a positive sentence. Now look here. What is negative sentence? I am not playing. I am not playing. Then what is this? यहाँ पे not लगा हुआ है. Negation word. What is this? This is negation word. Means a sentence having no or not in it is called negative sentence. यानी कि अगर no or not लगा है तो वो negative sentence है. No or not नहीं लगा है तो वो क्या है? That is a positive sentence. Clear? Clear? Positive sentence and negative sentence. Everybody, students, please show me your thumb. Show me your. Be active. Be active here. Come on, active रहिए. You are learning something. आप कुछ सीख रहे हैं. So be active, everybody, please. Clear, everybody? A sentence which is having no not is called negative sentence. A sentence which does not have negation word. What is negation word? Negation word means no, not, never, nobody. These are. Okay, clear? It's called a positive sentence. Show me your thumb. Thank you very much. May I erase? Sir, हिला के बताओ. Yes, sir, erase. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, okay class, now let us see. Now question arises. बच्चों के पास क्वेश्चन आता है, उनको समझ में आ गया. They are able to recognize what is positive sentence and what is negative sentence. हाँ, अब सर में क्लास में क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? Yes, I can understand, I can recognize a positive sentence and a negative sentence. Now where to use no and where to use not? Let us see. Question: where to use no and not? Now the question arises. अब क्वेश्चन उठता है कि हम यूज कहां करेंगे? सर नो, वेयर टू यूज नो? नो कहां यूज करेंगे? लुक हियर, जैसे अभी हमने एग्जांपल, वी हैव रिटन वन हियर एग्जांपल. आई एम अ बॉय, आई एम प्लेइंग. ओके, आई एम प्लेइंग. Just you have seen the example abhi. Just now I have written this example. You have seen I am playing, I am not playing. I have written I am not playing. But if I write here, अगर मैं यहाँ लिखता हूँ I am not playing, I am no playing, I am no playing, then this is wrong. This is wrong. Yes, ये गलत है. तो अब क्वेश्चन ये राइज होता है कि हम नो कहाँ यूज करेंगे और नोट कहाँ यूज करेंगे. Okay, now shall I tell you कहाँ यूज करेंगे? मैं बताऊं? Yes, students, ready? Show me your thumb. Yes sir, ready. Show me. Okay, fine. Yes, fine. Okay, now let me tell you where to use. Listen carefully, students. Hint. I will send you all these things. मैं ये सारा भेजूंगा आपको, ठीक है? I will send all these things. Now look here. Hint. What is the hint that where to use? Most of the time we use no. Most of the time we use no before, sorry, not before, most of the time no is added. No is added. No is added before a noun. Before a noun, and not is added before a verb. Before a verb. Now look here carefully. ये आपको पढ़ना है. You have to read this and you have to understand. Look here. Most of the time no is added before a noun. So अब question arise होता है, sir, what is noun and what is verb? I hope you know what is noun. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Okay. Noun is a naming word. Students, look carefully. हम no कहाँ use करेंगे? Noun से पहले. किसी भी noun से पहले. Okay. Now, example. Let us see the example. First, before writing the example, look here. Most of the time, no is used before noun. यानी कि मैं यहाँ लिख दे रहा हूँ. I am writing here noun. Noun से पहले हम क्या use करेंगे? No. Look carefully. Okay. Now, see the second one. And not is added before a verb. यानी कि हम not का प्रयोग verb से पहले करते हैं. So I am writing here verb, और verb से पहले यहाँ पे हम क्या use करेंगे? Not. Now let us see the example. Let us see the example. Now look here. Example. I have a computer. I have a computer. Now how to change this? How to change this in negative? Or now, she is my friend. Yes. Now let us change it. I have no computer. I have no computer. So what is computer? यहाँ पे computer क्या है? Computer is a noun. Students, look carefully. ध्यान से देखिएगा. Computer is a noun. Computer क्या है? Noun है. और noun से ठीक पहले हमने क्या use किया? What we have used here? No. We have used here no. So ready. Most of the time that we use no just before a noun. Just before a noun. Now look here. She is my friend. Now she is not my friend. Here the verb is not here, but यहाँ हम verb के before use नहीं कर रहे, verb के बाद use कर रहे हैं. Okay. Okay. Let us see some other example. Now let us see formation. बेटा ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि not का प्रयोग verb से पहले करते हैं और no का प्रयोग हम noun से पहले करते हैं. So what is verb and what is noun? Let us see carefully. Noun you know. Let us see verb. अब हम verb देखेंगे. Just for a few minutes, wait for 1 minute, students, and look carefully. What is positive sentence? We have already done about positive sentences, and we have already done about negative sentences. What is negative sentence? Now, let us see. Now, let us see the transformation, how to change negative sentence को positive sentence को negative sentence में कैसे change करते हैं. हमें ये पता चल गया है. We have already read that what is positive sentence, what is negative sentence. A sentence having no or not or negation word. एक ऐसा sentence जिसमें negation word रहता है वो negative sentence है, और जिसमें negation word नहीं रहता है that is called a positive sentence. Now let us see the transformations of positive sentence to negative sentences. Now look here, what we are going to study here, transformation. Transformation of positive. Transformation of positive sentence. Transformation of positive sentence to negative sentence. Transformation of positive sentence to negative sentence. Are you ready, students? If you are ready, please show me your thumb. Sir, we are ready. Please start. Are you ready, students? Let us see how to change positive sentence to negative sentence. Positive sentence को negative sentence में कैसे change करते हैं? Students, are you ready, everybody? Yes, please show me your thumb if you are ready. Fine, very good. Most of you have joined the class. Okay, fine. Now, students, look at the board. Transformation of negative positive sentence to negative sentence. So I just told you, मैंने अभी आपको बताया, just now I have told you about noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Naming word. Noun क्या है? Noun is a naming word. Example, what is this? अगर मैं इसका नाम रखता हूँ, this is marker. So the word marker is a noun. The word marker is a noun. Now look here. I don't know. Small kid, एक छोटा बच्चा है, उसको मैं ये बता रहा हूँ, वो बता नहीं पाएगा. But if I name it, अगर मैं इसका नाम बताता हूँ, duster, the duster is a noun. Okay. What is this? Pen. Just above my head, there is a three iron metal, three metal which is just revolving, घूम रहा है. Yes. What is that? That is a fan. तो मैंने क्या word use किया? Fan. Means a name. Noun is a naming word. Now students, take many example. Now look here. What is this? Headphone. The word headphone is a noun. यानी कि noun से पहले हम no use करते हैं. Now let us see verb. What is verb? Okay. Students, look here. What is verb? Action word are called verb. Action word are called verb. Action word are called verb. Students, look at the definition. Action word are called verb. Now, what I am doing, I am teaching. What I am doing, I am teaching. Then teaching is a verb. I am teaching you. I am teaching. Then teaching what? Teaching is a verb. Teaching is a verb. I am shouting. I am shouting. मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ, shouting. Then shouting is a verb. What you are doing? You are looking or watching. You are looking or watching. Then what is watching? Watching क्या है? Watching is a verb. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? All action words are called verb. Like sleeping, dancing, eating, breathing, सांस लेना, breathing, ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ आईज. मतलब जो भी एक्शन हम करते हैं, जो भी कार्य हम करते हैं, उसे क्रिया कहते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, students, show me your thumb, please. If you are not able to understand, then I'll explain again. Okay? If you are not able to understand, then I'll explain again. But if you are able, show me your thumb. Thank you very much. Like आपने अभी क्या किया? You are showing me your thumb. आप अपना thumb दिखा रहे हो. Then this is also a verb. Okay? You are raising your hand. Raising. आपने हाथ उठाया. यानी कोई काम किया आपने, अपने हाथ उठाया. Then what is this? This is verb. Yes, you are sitting, बैठे हो. That is a verb. You are moving your head. आप अपना सर हिला रहे हो. This is also a verb. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Verb क्या है? Clear? Action words are called verb. जो भी हम काम करते हैं या कोई काम घटना घटित होती है तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? क्रिया कहते हैं, verb कहते हैं. Now let us see about how many types of verb are there. Now let us see how many types of verb are there. Look here, students. Verb. Verb are of two types. Verb are of two types. Students, look here. Verb are of two types. One is main verb and one is helping verb. One is main verb. I'm writing here. One is main verb and the other one is helping verb. Helping verb. वर्ब दो टाइप्स के होते हैं. वर्ब आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. क्रिया दो प्रकार के होते हैं, प्रधान क्रिया और सहायक क्रिया. प्रधान, मेन वर्ब, प्रिंसिपल वर्ब. मेन वर्ब मींस व्हाट? प्रिंसिपल वर्ब, प्रधान क्रिया. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? हेल्पिंग वर्ब का मतलब क्या होता है हिंदी में? सहायक क्रिया. क्रिया कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? दो, प्रधान क्रिया और सहायक क्रिया. नाउ व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स? व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स? अब एग्जांपल रहेगा तो पता चलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं पता चलेगा. Now let us see the examples. Look here, the examples here. The example are jump, eat, go, run, dance, swim, sleep, etc. etc. I think you can't see. आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा. Let me write again. Look here, students. Look here, students. Main verb. Example of main verb. Example of main verb. And here I will write example of helping verb. Example of main verb and helping verb. ये sentence, ये chapter बाद में आएगा. It will come later on. वर्ब वाला चैप्टर जो है वो मैं आगे आपको पढ़ाऊंगा, डेफिनेटली पढ़ाऊंगा. आई विल टीच यू. बट हमें अभी कुछ चेंजेस करना है. हाउ टू चेंज पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस टू नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. फॉर दैट वी शुड नो अबाउट द वर्ब. वर्ब का हमारे पास ज्ञान होना आवश्यक होगा. देन ओनली वी कैन चेंज फ्रॉम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस टू पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. तभी हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज कर पाएंगे. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर केयरफुली प्लीज. डोंट, ए हु इज दिस? Adarsh Chauhan. Adarsh Chauhan, don't look the roof. Look at me. Look at your mobile and look at the board. What I am teaching, okay? Don't look here and there. Why you are moving? Don't move your mobile. Keep in one place. एक जगह पे रख दो. Now look here. Examples of main verb are like run, go, sleep, eat, dance, swim. Many more examples are there. Read, beat. Yes, all these are example of main verb. ये सारे main verb है. Now let us see the example of helping verb. Helping verb is, am, are, was, were, can, could, may, might, will, shall. All these are example of what? ये सारे किसके examples है बेटा? ये आपके helping verb के examples है. Now अब हम ध्यान से देख लो. Look carefully. I am not teaching you verb. मैं आपको verb पढ़ा नहीं रहा हूँ. Verb का हल्का सा ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा, little bit. I am giving you little bit knowledge of verb. What is verb? These are verb. ये सारे verb है. This is also verb. This is also verb. Which verb is this? ये कौन से verb है? This is helping verb. These are helping verbs. And what are these? These are main verbs. These are main verbs. ये main verb है और ये helping verb है. Now let us see. अब हम change करना सीखेंगे. How to change a positive sentence to a negative sentence. Now look here. Rule number 1. Let us see the first rule, students. Let us see the first rule. Now look at rule number 1. How to change a rule number 1. How to change a positive sentence to negative sentence. How to change a positive sentence to negative sentence. Now look here, students. Look carefully. Read it. What I am writing. Try to read the sentence. What I am writing here. Look here. If a sentence has a helping verb. If a sentence has a helping verb, if a sentence has a helping verb, like what are the helping verb? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, may, might, can, could, should, would, etc. Okay, now look here. If a sentence has a helping verb, अगर किसी वाक्य में helping verb है, what are helping verb? These are helping verb. We use not. We use not just after the helping verb. Just after the helping verb. Helping verb. बेटा बहुत बड़ा लिख दिया मैंने, शायद आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही होगी, बट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. Look here, helping verb. Now students, look at the board. If a sentence has a helping verb, means what are helping verb? From here, look here, from here, यहाँ से लेकर के and till here, all these are helping verb. You don't need to study, इसको learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just remember what is helping verb. Just try to recall what are the helping verbs. once again look here, if a sentence has a helping verb, अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में ये लगा हो, ये सारे क्या है helping verb, then we use not, हम not का प्रयोग करते हैं just after the helping verb, just after the helping verb. Now let us see the example here. Look here, let us see the example here. Look at the example. Example number 1. She can dance. She can dance. Now look here. What is verb here? पहले तो verb पहचानिए. What is verb here? This is also a verb. This is also a verb. Yes. So which verb is this? Can. Can कौन सा है बेटा? It is what? You can find here. Yes. Here. Can. Can is a helping verb. Can क्या है? Helping verb है. So right here. She can. After writing can, helping verb के ठीक बाद, just after the helping verb, we are going to use what? Not. क्या use करेंगे हम? Not use करेंगे. She can not dance. She cannot dance. I hope it is clear बेटा, समझ में आ रहा होगा कि अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में helping verb है, yes, if there is a helping verb, हम not का प्रयोग कहाँ करेंगे? Just after the helping verb. Helping verb के ठीक बाद हम क्या use करेंगे? Not. Clear? Clear? I will show you some more examples. कुछ और examples के साथ बात करेंगे अभी. So look at the board. Let me erase the board first. Just a second. Wait for a few. Yes. Now let us see some more examples. Before rubbing the board. Before rubbing the board, इस board को erase करने से पहले, I would like to request you to look at these examples. Sorry, helping verb. इन helping verb को एक बार ध्यान से देख लीजिए. I am repeating. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, be, might, can, could, shall. All these are helping verbs, students. Okay, all these are helping verbs. Fine. So look carefully and let us see this. Let us see some more examples. Okay. This is the first example, students. Now look here. Next example. Example number 2. I am going. Can you hear me? Show me your thumb. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, students? Thank you. Yes, now look at the board. She can dance. She can क्या है बेटा? Can हमारा HV. What is HV? Helping verb. Now look here. Rule number 1 में हमने क्या पढ़ा? If there is helping verb है तो helping verb के बाद हम क्या use करते हैं? Not. Remember, just after helping verb we use not. Helping verb के ठीक बाद हम क्या use करते हैं? Not. Okay. Now look here. I am going. Now look here. What is helping verb? Helping verb क्या है यहाँ पे? Who will tell? Who will tell? Adamya, you are playing in the class. Now unmute. Adamya, unmute. Unmute it. Now, sit properly. Sit properly. Don't play. I can watch everyone. मैं सबको देख रहा हूँ. Please. Now, can you tell me what is helping verb here? I have just taught. Look at the board. I am going. What is helping verb here? Means you are not in the class. आप class में नहीं हो.
Sir,
You are not in the class.
Sir, she cannot dance. Yeah, I am going.
In I am going, what is verb here? I am going में helping verb क्या है?
Sir,
I is pronoun. Wrong answer. आप क्लास में नहीं हो, ध्यान आपका कहीं और है. Now let me ask to someone else. Who is this? Shreya Singh, can you help me out? What is helping verb? HV, helping verb क्या है इसमें? Yes, tell me. Shreya. Can you hear me? Sorry, I am not able to hear you. Sorry. Who will help? Who is this?
Yes, sir. I am.
Ananya Tiwari. Yes.
Yes,
Hurry
sir.
up. Ananya Tiwari. Look at
Yes,
what I am going. What is verb here? Verb क्या है यहाँ पे? Helping verb. Helping verb. I am asking what is helping verb in this sentence? Is, am, are, was, where, shall, will, can, could, may, might. All these are helping verbs. Students, now can you help me? What is helping verb here? इस sentence में I am going. What is helping verb here?
Sir, am है helping verb.
Very good. Thank you. Am है helping verb. Am is the helping verb. Yes, am is the helping verb here. Fine. Am is the helping verb here. So look carefully again. Is it clear? Is it clear? Unmute it. Unmute it. Hurry up. Is it clear that what is helping verb here? इसमें helping verb क्या है? Unmute it. Hurry up.
Yes,
Yes. Clear. Now look here. I am writing here I मैंने लिख दिया. After that helping verb am. I am. After helping verb, what we are going to use?
ये
क्या use
आवाज
करें?
साफ नहीं आ रही है.
It's a network problem over there. आपके यहाँ network की problem हो रही होगी इसलिए आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Students, can you hear me? Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. आवाज आ रही है? Yes. Thank you very much, students. Now look here. What is this? I के बाद मैंने helping verb. I am using here helping verb. After helping verb हम क्या use करेंगे? Helping verb के बाद what we are going to use here? We are going to use not. We are going to use not. I am not going. I am not going. I am not going. Now let us see. Yes, mute it. Mute कर लो. Now look at the third example.
सर पॉजिटिव से निगेटिव सेंटेंस बना दिए हैं.
हाँ वही चीज वही कर रहे हैं हम ना. हम तो वही सेंटेंस ही वही है. हम वही पढ़ रहे हैं. We are learning how to change a negative sentence to positive sentence.
सर निगेटिव सेंटेंस में ओनली नॉट ऐड कर देंगे तो वो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस से नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बन जाएगा.
Yes, but how to change? कैसे चेंज करेंगे? वही पढ़ रहे हैं हम. हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद नॉट यूज करते हैं. नाउ लुक हियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये पता है कि हम नॉट यूज कर देंगे तो वो नेगेटिव में हो जाएगा. चलो मैं नॉट यूज कर दे रहा हूँ. नाउ लुक हियर, एक बच्ची है जिसने अभी रेस्पॉन्ड किया कि हम नॉट यूज कर रहे हैं. चलो मैं नॉट यूज कर रहा हूँ. आई एम गोइंग नॉट. क्या ये सही है? आप बताओ.
नो सर ये रॉन्ग है.
एक मिनट. यस यस, बस जस्ट अ सेकंड स्टूडेंट्स. आज के लिए टाइम अप होने वाला है एंड मैं आपको दोबारा लिंक सेंड करूंगा अटेंडेंस के लिए. ओके, आई विल सेंड यू. एवरीवन बी रेडी. सब लोग रेडी रहिएगा. हम ओके फाइन. एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एंड अप हियर. मैं यही